Windows 10. Support ends right now. If your PC can't make the jump to Windows 11 because of TPM or CPU requirements, and replacing the device isn't in the cards, you've basically got two realistic paths, side by side. Here's what that actually looks like. Option A. Windows 10. Enterprise LTSC. Option B. Migrate to Linux. Proof point 1. Support timeline. LTSC gets security updates into 2032 for this release line. That's nearly 7 more years of patches on a Windows base you already know. Linux distros vary. Ubuntu LTS gives you 5 years out of the box. Alma Linux and others follow upstream timelines, and you can hop to new LTS releases without buying new hardware. Proof point 2. Cost. LTSC isn't free. It's a volume licensed edition for businesses. If your company provides it, great. If not, don't try to hack around licensing. Linux is free to download and use. Your cost is time, learning the environment and swapping apps. Proof point 3. Learning curve. LTSC feels like Windows 10. Because it is. Minimal retraining. Linux means a new desktop, new settings, and sometimes the terminal. It's easier than it used to be, but expect a week or two to feel fluent. Proof point 4. Apps. LTSC runs your existing Windows apps, drivers, and peripherals with a catch. Enterprise policies and the store situation can be different. Some consumer features are trimmed and you'll want to verify your specific software. On Linux, some apps have native versions. Chrome, Firefox, VLC, Spotify, Steam, LibreOffice. Others have excellent alternatives. GIMP for Photoshop Basics. Only Office for Office Docs. Kdenlive for editing. But if you rely on a Windows-only app or specific Office macros, you'll need Proton, Bottles, Wine, or a Windows VM. Not everything will be perfect. Proof point 5. Performance and updates. LTSC is lean. No feature updates every 6 months, just security fixes. That stability is the point. Linux can be very light on older hardware. Rolling distros move fast. LTS distros stay stable. You choose the vibe. Proof point 6. Gaming. LTSC runs native Windows games and anti-cheat reliably. Linux gaming has gotten good with Proton on Steam, but certain anti-cheat titles still break. Check ProtonDB before you commit. Proof point 7. Privacy and control. LTSC reduces consumer bloat and telemetry compared to mainstream Windows, but it's still Windows. Linux puts you in control, open source top to bottom. So how do you decide? If you need Windows-only apps, enterprise-friendly stability, and your organization can license LTSC, go LTSC. It buys you time through 2032 without new hardware. If you're cost-sensitive, open to learning, and your workload fits native or alternative apps, go Linux. You keep your hardware, stay supported, and level up your skills. Quick start plan, side by side. LTSC. Confirm legitimate licensing. Backup. Verify drivers from your OEM. Test on a spare drive. Test in a VM. Then deploy. Lock down updates and set a reminder to reassess in 2029. Linux. Pick an LTS distro like Linux Mint or Ubuntu LTS. Make a live USB. Test Wi-Fi. Test your printer. Test sleep. Test your apps. Then dual boot for a month. Keep a list of alternatives. Thunderbird for email. OnlyOffice for docs. LibreOffice for docs. Bitwarden for passwords. Simple Note. Obsidian. Slack. Discord. Final Thought. Running stock. Windows 10 Home or Pro past end of support is a security risk. Don't be the easy target. Choose LTSC with proper licensing or choose Linux and learn it. Either way, you stay secure, stay productive, and keep that older PC working for years. Your move.